All right, let's replace those triple clamps with these ones. I already put them at a 23 offset, so we'll see how that works. Take this off. I'm gonna have to get a wrench for that. Come on. There's that. I'll take the tire off one-handed, so you have to wait for that. All the wires. Front number plate. We'll just put that back in its home. Put this up here. Done. Right where the tire is. Also, we're gonna replace those bar mounts with the Luxon bar mounts. Wow, what is my phone doing there? There we go. Obviously, I just took the front fender off. I'm not gonna be able to do that with one hand, so it's off. Focus. Take this thing out of there. Ooh, perfect. Oh, I did that backwards, but just get a good one on this. Right, I might have to use two hands. Right. Got it free.